Hello and welcome to Review Mobility. Our platform allows consumers to post their independent reviews on their experience with mobility companies around the UK, whilst also learning about mobility aids and browse a selection of mobility products we picked out. Head to our website reviewmobility.co.uk to learn more. Today, we will be covering folding mobility scooters. Let us get started. Mobility scooters that fold up at a button are a marvel of contemporary engineering. These compact and lightweight scooters make them easy to disassemble and travel. One kind may be folded up in 10 seconds flat, while another comes with a convenient carrying bag. What do you need to know when buying a folding mobility scooter? When buying a folding mobility scooter, you need to be aware that due to their portability, their batteries may not be as big, so you might not get as much distance as other types of mobility scooters. How to buy a folding mobility scooter? The best way to buy folding mobility scooters online is to shop around first, as there are so many different ones to pick from, so do your research first. Where can you buy folding mobility scooters? You can buy folding mobility scooters on this page, and we have picked some that may help on this page. What are the benefits of having folding mobility scooters? The benefits of a folding mobility scooter are that you can fold it up and put it in a car and take it with you to places in the car, so that you can get the benefits of a mobility scooter in public places far from your home. What should I look out for when choosing folding mobility scooters? When shopping for folding mobility scooters, you should look at cost, reviews, size, weight, power source, battery life. Folding mobility scooters for seniors. Folding mobility scooters can be great for seniors as they take up little space and can be put into the back of cars and taken with them. Folding mobility scooters with suspension. Folding mobility scooters with suspension can be great as they make it easy and comfortable to cruise. Folding mobility scooter with swivel seat. Some folding mobility scooters can come with swivel seats, making it easier for people to sit down on them without having the handlebar in the way. Folding mobility scooter with lithium battery. Folding mobility scooters can be powered by a lithium battery. Are folding mobility scooters any good? Folding mobility scooters can be great for people who need to take their mobility scooter on the road with them, or have limited space and need to store it in a small area. How much are folding mobility scooters? You can get used folding mobility scooters starting at around £100, but if new and have all the specifications, they can go way past £1,000. Which is the best folding mobility scooter? The best folding mobility scooter is one that meets your needs. Be sure to shop around and check out the reviews on mobility scooters to form your view. Can you hire a folding mobility scooter? Yes, some companies do hire them out. How to fold a mobility scooter? Folding mobility scooters will come with instructions on how to fold them, or you could look online for video tutorials. So that concludes our guide on folding mobility scooters. We hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to go and check out some of our other content on mobility aids, mobility scooters, stair lifts and much more. Head to our website, reviewmobility.co.uk for more information.